Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics. And as you know, we don't just sell classic cars and automobilia. We do sell other things like commercial vehicles, plant, handbags, pretty much anything really. Well, today I've got something really special. It's a 2018 Ford Transit 9-seater minibus. And what makes this special, there's loads of these on the market, but what makes this one really special is the mileage. It's got a genuine 8,800 miles on it. It's come from a friend of mine. I've had a few motors off the same guy. Most of them have never had 10,000 miles on. He keeps his vehicles in immaculate condition. And I'm going to tell you something. Unless you go to Ford and buy a brand new one, you will not find a one in the same condition as this. This vehicle is as good as a brand new one, condition-wise. Come on, I'll show you around it. So we'll start at the front. What can I say? Paintwork-wise, find a fault because I can't. It's got the lovely chrome grille, alloy wheels, again the 4 wheels and tyres in immaculate condition. It's got the little side step there. I'll open the doors in a minute and show you around it. Just want to show you the bodywork. All the glass is perfect. Bodywork's perfect round the back. He did have a tow bar fitted, but to be fair, I don't think he ever used it. It's the custom, as you see. Again, this side, paintwork is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Wheels and tyres again, great. The side steps. He's even had little protectors on the doors. Like I say, I know the guy, he's a smashing guy. He's that kind of guy. He's so finicky, it's unbelievable. And that's why it looks so good. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. Right, we'll have a quick look inside and I'll show you. Now, this guy normally puts 2 sets of seat covers or 3 sets of seat covers on his vehicles. When I've had them before of him, I had a Land Rover and it had 3 sets of seat covers on. This driver's seat here it's only got 2, so I'm surprised. I don't want to take them off completely, but just to show you the condition of the seats, just like brand new. Inside, again, condition of the carpet, the mats. There's actually 3 sets of mats there. Well, 4. There's a paper mat, there's that mat, there's a rubber mat, and there's that mat. So that's what you're dealing with. If you want to have a quick look inside there, on the dashboard. It's got twin side loading doors. Again, there you go. That's what you're dealing with. Just going to lift one of these and show you the seats. Again, they're like brand new. The whole van is like brand new. I can't describe it as anything but a brand new vehicle. I can't. You know, at 8,000 miles, it hasn't even had its first service. We'll get the key. We'll open the back. I've never even opened this, to be fair. The tailgate. If you look under here, look, it's just like brand new. Everything is like new. Looking in the back here, he's got some sort of storage cover there. I think that must have been a cover that he's had over the van. Again, all the seats were fitted with seat covers. Open this other door. Everything's the same. See, the seats are in immaculate condition. Even the carpets. You want to hear the close up there, Ellie, of the carpets? The carpets, everything. Absolutely everything. And then this side, the same. He's even had little bits of rubber down here to protect. Oh, he's had 2 bits of rubber to protect you getting in. flip the engine, have a look at that. Walk around here. Well, there's the engine, not much to say. A 2 litre engine. I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you that mileage. The MOT is backing the mileage up. He's the only owner in the logbook. Basically, if you look in there, there's the mileage jelly. Basically, the story with the van is his dad passed away. He wanted a vehicle so he could take his mum and his sister's kids out on a weekend. This did have a private registration with his dad's name on, which has been took off. That's why he bought the van. And he did that for a couple of years. Took his mum out on a weekend and the kids. And that's it. And now it's up for sale. So if there's anybody out there wants a Transit 9-seater, that's half the price of a new one and there's no VAT on it. You'd be a fool not to buy this. Anyway, if you like this video or any of my videos, please like, subscribe and share. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and all the other channels that we're on. And keep an eye out for some new vehicles coming in shortly. Bye bye now.